Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, anywhere you are. This is Peter from Sunny Insurance. Today, I'm coming to you live because there's a video and a topic I wanted to do here, which I think is going to help most of you, especially those people who want to open new companies. I've been approached several times to tell people over the phone on where to start from opening a new LLC company. So today I decided to do this video. I can put it out there on YouTube for people to watch for themselves and see if you can use this information to save time. So the video I'm going to do today is a presentation which walks you through from step number 1 to the end. And so if you are a new um, viewer for the first time, I ask you kindly to watch the video from start to the end and consider to subscribe, share, comment, and like the video. But for the returning subscribers, thank you very much for your support and continue sharing my video. So today, I'm going to use the state of Wisconsin financial institution website to show you on how you're supposed to open an LLC company. If you want to do tracking for hire, you're starting from scratch, and then this video is for you. So please look at it and let me know what you think. All right, let's get started. If you want to open an LLC company in the state of Wisconsin, so what you need to do is to go to Google and type Wisconsin Department of Financial Institution, and after you type this, you will go to Wisconsin Department of Financial Institution. Once you click there, it will take you to this website, and what you want to do is go to where it says click on the plus arrow here, and it has options here. So you will see you want to create an LLC corporation. Create a corporation LLC. So once you go to this page, it will prompt you to choose an entity which you want to choose. So they are listed here, but for the purpose of saving time, I'm more interested in choosing the domestic liability companies. This is where most of my clients, the transportation for hire in trucking, they have this company, domestic liability company. So you choose this, and this is online form. It will take you to the form, and I will show you on how to fill out. So this is something you need to do by yourself. You don't have to engage somebody else to do it for you for a fee. So once you click here, it will take you to this page, which will say Wisconsin Limited Liability Company. These are the directions, and this is what you need. You will need the name, the proposed name of the new liability company. The name has to be unique, and the registered agent, the name of the registered agent, and the registered office address. You need to have that. Management, you have to tell them the management for the new LLC which they will use. If the management will be vested in managers, manager or managers, or it will be invested in a member or members of that new LLC company. You also need to organize the names and the complete address of each organizer. If you are 4 members, all of their addresses and the names must appear on the application. The drafter, if you have somebody who's helping you to do the application, their name should be listed, and they should say they're the ones who completed the application. But if you are doing it by yourself, so you should write your name. The signature part, the articles must be signed by one or more organizers. If you are the only one, the principal organizer, you have to do it by appending your signature. The contact, the name, address, and email addresses and phone number of the contact person for this filing. All communications regarding this filing will be through email address of the contact person. There is a payment, and the payment can be made with a credit card. They accept a Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express. The cost or the fee for this online application for limited liability company is $130. This fee is non-refundable. So once you do that, you will move to a section whereby you need to read the privacy for Department of Financial Institutions privacy policy and accept. So if we jump to start the application, you will go to the application there, and you need to come up with the name of the domestic liability company up here. So the name must not be the same name found in the database. So if you come up with a name and it is on the database, the computer is going to reject it. But the name must, the rules to form this company must contain the word limited liability company, full or abbreviated like this, or abbreviated LLC without periods, or LLC with periods. So wherever you choose, it's acceptable so long as you follow the rules. So for here, I'm gonna use the dummy LLC for the purpose of this demonstration, because I'm not doing it for real. I'm just doing for you, so you see what you're supposed to do to put your actual information. So once you do this company is called Dummy Logistic LLC. We're gonna move to the next. So the next one here, that's where you want to put your names, and I can use XYZ as my name, and the last name is ZYX. And for the address, I'm gonna use this address right here, and this is an address I'm making up, and then I will go next. So you need to indicate whether the management management of the company would be vested in managers or managers of the company. So for here, everything will be vested in the members for this purpose. But if you are going to have managers, then you have to choose managers. But if it's a simple LLC for only one person, you will have to choose the member. Then click next, and here, Article 6, name and the complete address of each organizer. The organizer actually is one, which is you, and so you can fill out, click here, let me see, fill the form. Use this one to fill the form. It will bring the first information because you are the only individual. And once you do this, you say you don't want to add anything. You want to save and organize. Save organizer. So once you save like that, it will be saved is right here. You check to make sure everything is good. And if you want to edit, you edit. If you don't want, you do that. Then go to next. To go next, the draft is the person who filled the articles. If you have filled this form, then you are the drafter. So what you do, X, Y, Z is the person who did this, and Z, Y, X. This document is executed outside Wisconsin. It's not. It's within Wisconsin. So you don't have to check this one. And then after this one, you just click next. To execute this document, at least one organizer must sign the form. Okay. Next. So this is an error. They want us to choose at least one organizer, which is this person. First name and last name. So you go next. And then the computer remembers you say fill the form, it fills the information of this person. The contact email, we can use this email here as a dummy. And the phone number, you can come up with any phone number. 608 000 0000. Okay. And then this is a US number. Maybe it's an international phone number, you tell them. Then you go next. And please review this information very carefully. You read the document and make sure you understand. If there's anything you have to change, you click the edit button and check it. Okay, now if you want your company to be expedited, you can do that by checking this box right here, but you have to pay a fee of $25 for this service. So if you wanted to do that, so let's keep this box checked, and if we wanted expedited, so this is the company right here. If you want to change, like I said, you can change here. And if you want to edit anything, the address, you edit. Everything looks good here. And if you are satisfied everything is good, you say next. And then it shows you the payment right here, Department of Financial Institution payment details. So this is the breakdown. The Wisconsin Limited Liability Company Articles of Organization fee is $130, and this is an optional expedite service fee, which is $25, and the total is $155. The payment they accept is a credit card, and you go for credit card here. If you want to use this option, you can also use. Otherwise, you can click next for credit card. And once it comes to this page right here, this is where it shows you the frequencies. At one time, you don't have to pay. Once you pay, unless it is an annual report, but the initial one, this is what you are paying, which is a one time, like they say here. Pay now, contact information is here and everything. and this is your credit card information. I don't think the computer will not allow me to go past this page because you have to input the credit card information for real in order to proceed. So basically that's what you do, and once you pay, you will get a confirmation page and showing you details, and then they will send you an email with another confirmation saying you have formed a company, and they will expedite and send you the articles of organization, and once you receive them, you will become the owner of that company. That's basically how you set up an LLC company in the state of Wisconsin. So in other states it might be different, but all you have to do is Google the information in the state you are. If you are in Illinois, Minnesota, Texas, Georgia, New York, California, you name them, is you have to go and follow the instructions they have. Otherwise, that's it we have for today's presentation, and I hope this information will help you guys wherever you are.